What's going down is
click, clap, pull it. Go ahead and do it. Fucking with me is like Russian roulette with 6 bullets. 15 minutes, done, lights out. You just a guest here, bitch. This is my house. You ain't got no say-so, bitch. End the story. I'm pissing on the rap game, cause it's my territory. Don't ignore me, cause I'm a motherfucking beast in these motherfucking streets, and you're motherfucking weak. So if you piss me up, bang, bang, piss me up. Let's go!
I want to thank the big boss man Steve here and all the SS Airsoft staff for having us. I also want to thank Rocky, High Precision, all day.
About that time again to say hello to my little friend. Hate to sister set the in. What you say, I can't comprehend. Yep, I'm a bitch. If you don't like it, give my ass a kiss. Just one thing I can't seem to get. If it's a man's world, then where's my golly gee? I didn't mean to be so into me. Haters on me like Siamese. Yo, get the fuck up off me. Piss me up, bang bang. Piss me up, bang bang. Piss me up, bang bang.
0644.
Let's go!
Yeah, for sure, man. Congrats.